How does knowledge representation connect ancient philosophy to AI? Imagine trying to teach a computer to understand the world as humans do. How do we turn our thoughts and ideas into something a machine can work with? That's where knowledge representation comes in. It's like creating a map of what we know so that computers can use that map to reason and make decisions. Now, this idea isn't new. It actually goes way back to ancient philosophers like Plato and Aristotle. They asked big questions about what knowledge really is and how we come to know things. Plato believed that true knowledge is about understanding and changing forms or ideas. He thought our senses can deceive us, so real knowledge comes through reason and thinking. Think of his famous allegory of the cave, where people see shadows and mistake them for reality. He said real knowledge is like climbing out of the cave into the light of understanding. Aristotle, on the other hand, focused more on how we learn from the world around us. He believed knowledge comes from observing things and then using logic to figure out how everything fits together. He thought that by combining what we see and reason about, we can build a solid understanding of the world. Fast forward to today, and these ideas still influence how we build artificial intelligence systems. When we create a computer that can think or learn, we need a way to organize all the information it uses. That's what knowledge representation does. It's about encoding facts, rules, and concepts in a way that a computer can process. For example, we might use symbols and logical rules to representing relationships like a dog is an animal, or if it rains, the ground gets wet. These are simple examples of symbolic knowledge, similar to Aristotle's logical structures. More advanced systems like ChatGPT or DALL-E use complex forms of knowledge representation. ChatGPT, for example, has learned from vast amounts of text, capturing language patterns and facts about the world. It doesn't just memorize, it organizes information in ways that help it generate meaningful responses. DALL-E creates images based on descriptions, which also relies on understanding how concepts relate to visual elements. But knowledge representation isn't just about making machines smarter. It also raises questions about ethics. Just as ancient philosophers questioned what we can truly know, modern AI developers must think about how accurate and fair the knowledge in these systems is. If the information is biased or incomplete, the AI's decisions can be flawed. So, understanding how knowledge is stored and used helps us build better, more trustworthy AI. In essence, knowledge representation connects the ideas of ancient philosophy with modern AI by translating philosophical questions about the nature of knowledge into practical tools for machines. It helps AI systems reason, learn, and interact more like humans, while also reminding us to be careful about what knowledge we give them and how we use it.